Got it.
No, you didn't.
We making?
Making bread.
How many?
I'm making 4.
And what do they weigh?
They average about 580 grams each.
Used to be 520 at the bakery.
Yeah, this batch is a little bit different.
Different flour?
No, just different size. You're working with the recipe in cups instead of grams like we did at the bakery.
Oh, okay. Homemade proofer.
There we go. Oh, I gotta get a thermostat. So this is to keep an eye on the temperature. You want it to be humid in there, but you don't want it to be too warm. So if you can keep it around 100, 105 degrees Fahrenheit, but not to the point where the water is boiling. That's your Goldilocks zone.
Put the probe in.
So we leave a little gap for the heat to come out, excess heat, and then if that gets over 105, it'll ring, and then we adjust the hot plate accordingly. That's it.